Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am. I am agree.
This is your first time working abroad.
Yes, ma'am.
Why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
Because for my kids, for their future.
Okay, so what is your name, ah?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your name?
My name is Vicky Leona.
How old are you?
I am 31 years old.
Are you single or married?
I'm single, but I have live-in partner.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is May 12, 1994.
What is your height and your weight?
Sorry, ma'am.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 5'2" and my weight is 59 kilos.
Okay, so what is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
I am a high school graduate.
Okay, you have children?
Yes, ma'am. I have two sons.
Okay.
My oldest son is 9 years old and my youngest son is 1 year old.
Okay, so who will going to take care of your children later once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My partner and my mother.
How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
He is 59 years old and he is a Grab driver.
59 years old, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so no problem, it's okay. So did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, no problem, ah. So, according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back January 14 to March 16. You work as a housemaid, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it stay-in maid?
Stay in.
In which part of the Philippines?
In San Juan City.
Okay, so can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in San Juan?
My work there is washing, car washing, cooking, and gardening.
Okay, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, ironing, car washing, and gardening.
Yes, ma'am.
That's all.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you take your children or any elderly inside the house?
No, ma'am.
Okay. After 2016, do you have any working experience?
No more, ma'am.
So, after 2016 and until recently, you are a full-time mother, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you know what are you up to? You were working as a domestic helper, and this job is not an easy job. This is a very, very tough job, okay? You cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family, you miss your children, and you cannot handle your job anymore. Because you will going to sign a 2 years contract, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating
Okay,
or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Houses here is quite big. It's no joke. I am telling you the reality of working here in Malaysia. Employers here also is very particular when it comes of cleanliness, okay? So are
Okay.
you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you
I
cook?
can. Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
You cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am. I'm okay.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, it's okay. You can come, work properly, and don't give us problem. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. We wanted to be specific in our initial interview so that you won't give us problem at the same time. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so normally, how will you gonna fight your homesickness knowing that you will be working quite far away from your family and this is your first time working abroad?
Sorry, ma'am.
How will you gonna handle your homesickness?
I'm calling them and talk to them.
Okay, in Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. In Philippines, you can drink until you're drunk, you can be the boss there, but here no, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't bring what you are doing in the Philippines here in Malaysia. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Yeah?
Okay, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you so
you.
much and have a good day.